I'm Aaron Ashton. I'm a producer here at Chamber Media. Today we're going to talk about permits. When you need a permit, why you need a permit, and how to get it. Here in Salt Lake, beautiful Salt Lake Valley, getting a permit for a public place usually takes about 5 days to 7 days, depending on what it's for. Like if you're going to be on a public trail, a public park, it's always good. The first place to check is with the county or the city that you're in, just on their local website. Get in contact with somebody because a lot of counties don't have a system in place for film permits. So call them, talk to them, let them know what the scale is, what we're going to be doing, just to make sure that everybody is in the loop with the production so that we don't run into any issues when we're on set. How long the permit will take to process really depends on the location. Here in Utah, state parks can take under a week, but some other areas, some cities can take 14 to 21 days. So really locking your location once you have your script and once you have everything planned out, going for that permit if it's going to be in a public place is probably one of the first steps because it's really dependent on the place how long it's going to take. And if you want to avoid getting permits altogether, you can go to a private location, private property. Obviously for houses, for offices, that's a lot easier. But for some outdoor locations, there's ski resorts, there's private ranches. And usually if you can get in contact with somebody and if it's within your budget, you can usually find a really cool place that has everything you need. If you have any questions or want to hire Chamber Media, just give us a call or go on the website, chamber.media.